In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 more amazing grants that you can get for your new business or even small business. And ladies, you're in for a treat because the last 2 grants I'm going to be going over is specifically for ladies. So it means that you can get a higher rate of being accepted for this free money. I see you guys like the last video that I posted about grants, guys. So I decided to come with another banger on 5 more exciting grants that you can get up to $20,000 for. I'm going to be going over the names of these grants, how to obtain these grants, and what the requirements are. And trust me, it's not that much, guys. So let's get right into the desktop, and so you can learn how to get this free, easy money. Guys, these grants are absolutely an amazing opportunity for your new business or even small business. It's money that you don't have to pay back on whatsoever. It's not a loan, meaning that you have to pay it back plus interest. It's absolutely free money, guys, and I'm going to show you the easiest ways possible to get it. So stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Before we start the video, man, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to go in the links in the description. I do provide coaching calls so I can help you start your business, whether it's your online business, the trucking business, because as you can see right here, man, we are in a trucking business, and I do teach you how to start your trucking business the easiest way possible. How much does it cost, man? You can start your trucking business for under $2,500, guys, and I'll teach you all of that. I do have multiple videos throughout the channel on how to make online businesses, how to start trucking businesses, and even on crypto trading and binary options, guys. It's very easy money out here to be made, and it's my job to teach you how to make it. So check out the links in the description if you want investment tips exclusively, guys. And we do have the YouTube memberships so that you can learn exclusive investing tips with no ads, no promo, and no interruptions in those videos. Straight exclusive content on how to make this money the easy way. Back to the video. Woo! So the first grant that we have and that we're going over is called the Nasdaq Quarterly Grant Program. So with the Nasdaq Quarterly Grant Program, this is the website right here. Let me take you back. This is the website, this is the link, so take a screenshot of that. And guys, what they do is, you know, Nasdaq, that's the stocks and stuff. It's a very powerful company, and guys, their financial knowledge and confidence, guys, they have support, they collaborate, and really they have this opportunity. The proposal deadline is February 9th, 2024. So you have about 3 months left at the time of this recording in December of 2023. And guys, pretty much this is what you have to do. You have to submit a proposal, an online application, guys, and then you will receive your funds when the deadline is posted, guys. So please visit the Nasdaq Foundation online grants to submit a proposal today. Boom, visit the online portal. You go here, you put in your information, and that is pretty self-explanatory for the Nasdaq grant program. So pretty much, guys, I'm pretty sure that you're not going to be ineligible for none of these reasons right here. So you can be able to get this Nasdaq Quarterly Grant Program grant. So on to the second grant that we have to go over, and this is going to be the Hello Alice grant, guys. And this is the small business grant opportunity. So with this, guys, you can easily go ahead and come over here. You see the funding right here, guys. You go to the funding, and what we really want to talk about is the grant opportunities. They do offer credit cards, they do offer business loans, but we're going to come to the grant opportunities, your #1 source for small business grants. And then they have all of these featured grants. So they have a 10K grant right now, and also they have a 1K American Dreams Award grant. So they have a restaurant disaster relief fund. Let's see what that's about, guys. Critical shouldn't be. The average small business loses about $3,000 every day, and they remain closed through natural disaster. So if your restaurant was, you know, affected by a storm or a natural disaster or even COVID, guys, you can get this grant right here. And this is in partnership with DoorDash. And then the American Dreams Award grant is going to be yeah, you'll have to log in, put your information in. So that is the Hello Alice. I'm not gonna actually do all of this technicals, guys. I'm just here to show you the grants so you can do your due diligence, go on these websites and get to them yourself. But speaking of website, let's get back to it. This is the link that you need to go to, and you can easily just go right here to small business grants. And also, guys, they do have black owned businesses. They have they partnered with the NAACP. And guys, you know, start connecting with some of these black businesses, because your network is your net worth. So start networking out here, guys. And so on to the third grant that we have, and this is going to be the Wish Local grant. So this is the website right here, the Wish Local Empowerment program, and that's all you need to type in, guys. And they've given out over $2 million worth of funds, and you can get between $500 and $2,000. This business grant is only open to black store owners, so you can apply to receive $500 to $2,000 to rebuild your small business, and that's pretty self-explanatory from there, guys. If you have to rebuild, put your information in, and then you would simply go to the apply now, and that is how you get to it. So on to the fourth grant, guys. On to the fourth one, we do have Amica. So with this Amica grant, let's go to the website so I can show you guys where to go. Amica Soul Gal Foundation, and this is for my females out there viewing in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But yes, guys, this is the Amica Soul Gal Foundation. This is for female businesses only, and guys, you can easily get a partnership. And what is this Soul Gal partnership, guys? This grant will provide you up to $25,000. These grants will work to provide both longevity and sustainability in your business. And why is the mentorship going on? It's making a difference in marketing and finance, guys. This grant will be for underrepresented hair care founders and innovators. So if you are in the hair foundation, if you are in the hair industry as a female, this grant is perfect for you, up to $25,000, so that your hair products can be on the market and none of these bad chemicals that's poisoning the brains of our females today, man. So this is the Amica Soul Gal Foundation grant, guys. Go ahead, check that out for all my ladies out there. And for the fifth one, for my ladies out there, again, we do have the Iino, and this is the Iino Startup Collective, guys. The first link that you see once you type that in, and then on the Iino Startup Collective, you can unleash your potential. And all of this is just another grant for female businesses, and I do believe that you have to be in the hair business as well for this grant as well. So actually skincare, hair, all of that, any type of beauty, guys, you can get this grant right here, and you'll pretty much just put in your information, and you would submit it, guys, and you will get, you know, emailed about the grant opportunities coming up for Iino. So in the last 3 years, they have been doing contests and have provided a collective startup funds for businesses in the beauty community. So that is the last grant that we have to offer. And if you weren't tuned in to the first video about the grants, this is part 3, literally like part 3. I've won over 15 grants in the last 4 days of just free business money that you can get. So if you haven't tuned into the first video, here's a little treat for you, man. But if you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. Hit it. Well, it's not gonna be right there. You gotta go down in the link and hit it. But yeah, guys, hit the subscribe button. And here is another Atomic Grants. They do have a lot of grant opportunities coming up in the nearby future, and they always have multiple grant opportunities per year. This is Passion Collective. This is the link for it, guys, right here. Atomic Grants, the third one by Passion Collective. And with these grants, guys, it's free money, man. Round 4 is open. They have 4 rounds every year. That is summer, spring, winter, and fall, man. 2024 now open. Apply here. Go ahead and get, you know, a $1,500 cash grant, guys. It's easy money. So if you weren't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe so you can get more free easy money tips, because this is Black Investors Group, where we do make investing easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a big thumbs up so this video can get pushed out to many others, so many others can learn how to make this easy money, because we do post daily and I do give you this easy investing tips daily, guys. So this is 5 grants, 5 more grants, 3 for the males, 2 for the females. I hope you guys enjoyed. My name is KINGLATTA. We're out. Whoop.